Hi guys, I'm Anita Buffem and welcome to Buffem Beautiful, my channel here on the YouTubes. Now, if this is the first video you're watching, welcome. Make sure you check out my channel. I've got some beauty videos, lifestyle videos, and some comedy. You don't want to miss that. Now in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this lip set, the Vial lip set from Perfectly Posh. Make sure you're subscribed, click the thumbs up. Are you ready to be Buffem Beautiful? Let's go.
They say fashion kills. It's a murder scene. Make that
I love when you guys send me stuff to review. First of all, I love gifts. But I also like to know what you guys are wearing, what you guys are interested in. So leave that in the comments below. If you have something you want me to send, if you want to send me, shoot me a message. But you guys should know, I want to let you guys know, no matter where the products come from, whether I purchased them or they're from a PR thing or they were sent to me by you guys, I will always give my honest to goodness opinion. All right, so this is from Perfectly Posh, which I had heard about from a hand cream that a friend gave me that I love. It smells so good, makes my hands feel delicious. I was like, what is this Perfectly Posh? Now, I had no idea. Perfectly Posh, I love this packaging, and this is it's the Vial lip kit. Vial, it's called Vial. And there are two colors in here with a lip primer. So let me tell you, I really was impressed when I put these on, and I should put some on for you now, and I will. The primer is great, great staying power, and the colors are cute. You can wear them separately or a blend together. You can create a really nice like ombre look with these two colors. And I also used the primer for another lip product, another lip color that was running really bad. And I was like, I wonder if this primer will help hold that other product, and it did. All right, so let me throw this on. I'll show you what they look like. The packaging I think is really cool. It comes with this nice tin, and this backside is like a it's reflective, like a mirror, and it's a good reflective because I've seen like those tins before, and they the tins that are reflective and they're kind of like glossed over or something. This one's not like that. It's like perfect mirror. Yeah, so this is called Beyond the Pale. It's a really nice nude. You guys know me, I love a frickin' nude. Now I'm going to throw this right over what I have already, which might be dangerous, but I'm going to give it a go. So I'm not going to use the primer, but I want you to take my word for it. The primer works awesome. But I want to throw this on quick so you can see the color, see how beautiful it is. And you can look in the description below. I'll include links to all the products that I review in any video and more information. Very creamy. It's beautiful. I wore this product around the other day, just around the house, with the primer, because I knew I was going to be doing this review, and it had really great staying power. With all liquid lips, I find that less is more, so I normally will apply it with a brush, not the applicator. So I'll swipe the product on the back of my hand, dip a lip brush in there, and swatch it over my lips. I find it feels less drying and will last longer on your lips. I did that with these. Obviously, I just applied it right from the applicator right now, but it looks exactly the same as when I applied it with the brush. So you're still getting that full pigment, and it's a little sticky right now, but it does dry down completely where you get none of that stickiness. So let's look at this other color. This is called Stop Blushing. Yeah, these colors are so pretty together. They complement each other really well. You can wear them again by themselves or together. I'm gonna swipe this on here. And then I'm just gonna use my finger to blend it towards the middle to create a little bit of an ombre look. Very natural. I love it. So pretty. And there you have it. The Vial lip set from Perfectly Posh. Check them out at perfectlyposh.com. Do you have a product you want me to try or review, or a look you want me to try, or a cosmetic beauty question? Find me on all my social media, Anita Buffem, that's Buffem, and send me your suggestions and questions. And if you have a product you want me to review, or a product of yours that you'd like me to feature on the channel, shoot out a message to me now. Thank you guys so much. I love ya. Make sure you're subscribed, click the thumbs up button, lead with love and positivity, and you will be Buffem beautiful.
I am the real thing, so you better move over. Unleash me and break fire. I am supernova. Here come the full force. Bad girl take over. I am the mighty soldier. I am the mighty soldier.
Quick first impressions and review of Perfectly Posh. Can I hold it upright, please? Jesus.